Okay, lesson 47. Using unit multipliers to convert these rates. So we have 193, and it says miles per hour. Write it as miles over hours. And we want to change that to feet per second. So this is going to be miles over hours, and this is feet per second. So the miles have to become feet, the hours have to become seconds. So you just do them one at a time. So I'm going to convert miles to feet. Since the miles are in the top, I'm going to put them in the bottom, and that puts feet in the top, which is where it should be anyway. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Those cancel. Now I have feet per hour, but I want feet per second. So I'm going to go from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. I know 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So that hour cancels that one, that minute cancels that one. Now in the top I have 193 times 5,280, and the only unit I have up there is feet. In the bottom I have 1 times 60 times 60, so I'll just put 60 squared, and it's seconds. I'll put it over here with my feet. And that's your answer. So let's do another one. 47, and this is inches per second, and I want it to become yards per hour. So 47 inches per second. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change inches to yards. And I can go directly there because I know that 1 yard is 36 inches. And then I want the seconds to become hours. So I'll go from seconds to minutes, and then minutes to hours. 1 minute is 60 seconds, and 1 hour is 60 minutes. Those cancel. Those cancel. I have yards over hours as my units. That's what I wanted. 47 times 60 squared in the top, and 36 in the bottom, and the unit is yards over hours. Okay, let's try this one. This is the same thing. We're starting with the 47 inches per second, but we're not changing it to the same thing. We're changing it in miles per hour. So I'm going to go from inches to feet, and then I'm going to go from feet to miles. So I know that 1 foot is 12 inches, and 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So those cancel, and I get miles. And I want it per hour. So seconds up here, so they'll cancel with the seconds in the bottom. Seconds to minutes, minutes to hours. I wanted hours in the bottom. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 hour is 60 minutes. That seconds cancels that. Those minutes cancel. So I have 47 times 60 squared. And in the bottom I have 12 times 5,280. And it's miles over hours. That's what it asked for. Okay, those are rate conversions. Okay, now this one, we're going to work it just like we did the other ones. The only difference is this right here is not 5 to a power, so we need to change it to 5 to a power. So this is the 6th root, and you may have to, check a few things to try to figure out what that is. 5 to what power is going to give you the 3,125. But it's 5 to the 5th power. That's the square root of 5 is 5 to the 1/2 power. So I'm going to add the 5 and the 1/2. So when you get a common denominator and add them, you get 11 over 2. Okay, so this is 1/6 as an exponent. And this becomes 5 to the 11/12 power. Okay, let's try another one. So this one is going to be 6 to some power. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6 is going to be 216. So it's 6 to the 3rd power. This is 6 to the 1/2 power. So now we have the cube root, and we need to add 3 1/2. So that becomes 7 over 2. Then we have 6 to the 7 over 2 power. Then we're going to take that to the 1/3 power. and we have 6 to the 7/6 power. Okay, hope that's helpful.